Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here to do a review and product demonstration of Eufy's new RoboVac 30C. This is the largest and most powerful model that Eufy makes, and it's an upgrade from the 11S that I reviewed previously. So today I'm going to do a product demonstration, we're going to do a walkthrough, I'll show you the different vacuuming modes that it has, as well as the smartphone application functionality, which is basically it's a virtual remote on your phone, but you can control it and you can also preset the schedules for the RoboVac to work whenever you want it to. So before we get started, let me show you the remote. So this is a remote, it's very simplistic. It has all the different modes on it, and if you forget what they're for, ta-da, they're right there on the back. So up close and personal, you can see the suction power. The beeps indicate what mode it's in, but you get standard, boost IQ, and max. Charge, it goes back to base, so it'll start charging. Auto clean does all the various different modes so it can clean the room. It'll auto detect what it needs to do. Edge clean will find an edge and it'll follow it for 20 minutes and then it'll head back to base. Spot clean will go for 2 minutes and it'll clean an area. It goes in a big concentric circle for 2 minutes. And then quick clean will work for 30 minutes and then it'll go and vacuum and then head back to base once it's done. So the first one that I want to demonstrate is the edge mode. So ta-da, we'll go ahead and do edge mode. So what it'll do is it'll go and find an edge, and then once it finds that edge, we'll help it find an edge. Once it hits the edge, it'll go for 20 minutes, and it'll just go along the edge like that. So this is ideal if you're in a small room or in an area where you want to make sure that it gets all the edges and not just goes around at the different angulars and the different lines until it gets done. This way it'll make sure that the edges and the corners of the room get thoroughly clean. So there's the edge of the couch right there. So when you take it back to the middle. Alright, so the next mode that I want to show you is spot cleaning mode. Spot cleaning mode, of course, is a little squiggly circle there. And it'll go for 2 minutes. So what it'll do is it'll do this big circle where the circle just gets bigger and bigger so it can make sure it thoroughly cleans the area that you want it to. Alright, so the next one that I want to show you is quick cleaning. Now quick cleaning, the RoboVac will automatically stop cleaning after 30 minutes and return to the charging base. So this is ideal for a small room or an area that needs to be clean, and it'll save you on your battery and your power because it'll just do a small room for 30 minutes and then it'll be done. So that one is indicated by the little clock here with the 30 minutes. Now we're not going to watch it for 30 minutes, but this will give you a demonstration of what it's going to do. So it'll hit the wall, it'll turn around, it'll go somewhere else. Just make sure it doesn't go back there. Now you're going to see when it comes down here, this is one of the cool new features of these boundary strips that it comes with. You can see at the bottom of the screen, it's going to hit it and it's going to turn around and go and simulate it hitting a barrier. That way you can set these up, you can put them in your room, because one of the problems with these is that if you put it in a large room or you put it somewhere, inadvertently it'll go into a hallway, it'll go through a doorway, or it'll go somewhere we don't want it to, and then it's not going to finish cleaning the room because it's going to run off somewhere. So it's important to go ahead and set these boundary strips, and it comes with 2 of them, which is really nice. I think they're about 7 feet long. I don't have the dimensions in front of me right now. Alright, so we'll bring it back over here. Now the last mode that it has is it has auto mode. Now auto mode is different than the other modes because it combines all of them together and it automatically detects what it needs to do until it's complete. This is the most common cleaning mode and it's indicated by the little A there, auto mode. There we go. So like I said, in auto mode, it optimizes its cleaning path and selecting different cleaning modes automatically until it's complete. And it's trying to run away. There we go. So this makes it for a good demonstration area where I can show it off, but because of the TV stand and lots of other areas, it wants to run away a little bit, and I didn't put magnetic strips everywhere. All right, so that's all 4 of the modes. And then you have the schedules. Now the schedules, to do the schedule, you have to get into the app on the phone, which I'll go ahead and show you now. So you get my phone out. All right, so this is the app. And when you pull it up, let me turn the brightness down. There we go. So whenever you pull it up, you just click on the RoboVac after you set it up. And this looks a lot like the remote control. So you have the home button, so it'll charge. You have the schedule. Now the schedule, I wish it were a little bit more developed than it is. So today's Sunday. We'll go ahead and turn Sundays on. And then set it up. If I can get the time to work. There we go. So whenever you do this, it's going to put the RoboVac, it'll start cleaning in the last mode that was selected. So all you can do is set the time. So we'll say 8 a.m. Okay. And then it'll clean for half an hour, and then it'll go back to base. So every day, if you leave this on, it'll go ahead and do it every day at the same time. Unfortunately, one of the limitations of that is you cannot select the mode for every day. So I wish you could say, okay, this day I want to do this day I want to do that, and you can only set the one time. You can't set multiple times throughout the day. So that's one of the unfortunate limitations, but at the same time, it's still a step in the right direction, I think. And another nice thing that is, it'll work with your Google Assistant. So if you've got Google Assistant or if you have Alexa, then you can tell it what to do as well. So you can program it and set it up so you can say, okay, Google, ask RoboVac to start cleaning. And you can say, okay, Google, ask RoboVac to stop cleaning. So I can't demonstrate that right now because I don't have my smart assistant in here. But it works with Alexa and it works with Google Assistant as well. But just like, go here and show you on the modes. So just like on the remote control, we have all the same modes here. We have edge cleaning, we have our spot cleaning, we have our quick clean, we have our automatic. And then you have the strip. And the strip, it's actually really heavy. It's made out of, it's this big magnet material, which is how it senses when it needs to stop. So if you wanted, you could cut it up into smaller strips. You can use the tape to put it on the ground. It comes with some 3M adhesive tape that's double-sided. So you just put it on the bottom and then you can place it down. It's very easy to put up, to put down and to pick back up. So you can set it up however you need to. And just found my lamp back there. Get back over here in the spotlight. There we go. And that is it for the product demonstration on the RoboVac 30C. As always, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the drop-down section and I'll get back to you. I'll have the rest of the product description information and the price down in the drop-down section as well, along with the direct link so you can go and have a look at it. Also, I did an unboxing video, so if you look at the unboxing video, it'll show opening it up. You can see all the different tools, the accessories, the air filter, the product manual, and all that good stuff. So again, this is the RoboVac 30C by Eufy, and that's all I got for today.